Morning students. So last class I discussed exercise 1.5 question number 5. Draw appropriate Venn diagram for Venn diagram. So exercise 1.5 question number 5, that is 1.5 question number 5. Draw the Venn diagram of A intersection, A complement intersection B complement, Venn diagram. So for Venn diagram, first draw a rectangle for universal sets, then draw a set A. This one suppose set A, and now draw the Venn diagram of A complement. So A complement, that is outside of A. Suppose this is outside of A. This is the Venn diagram of A dash. Now draw B dash. Suppose this is set is B. For B dash, that is draw a Venn diagram of outside of B. Outside of B, this one is outside of B, minus 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 minus. So plus represent Venn diagram of A dash and minus represent Venn diagram of B dash. Now draw the Venn diagram of A dash intersection B dash, that is common part. So check that common part means write both the sign having plus or minus. This is the Venn diagram of plus, that is A dash, minus also, so B dash also. So A dash intersection B dash, here outside of A and B. So this is the Venn diagram of A dash intersection B dash, outside of A and B. This is the Venn diagram of A dash intersection B dash. Similarly, A dash union B dash, Venn diagram of fourth part or first third part, A intersection B whole dash, Venn diagram. So first draw rectangle for universal set, then draw two sets A and B, A and B. Now check that what is the part of A intersection B. A intersection B means common between A and B. So this part is the common between A and B. Then A intersection B whole complement, that is outside of A intersection B, that is this part, outside of A intersection B, outside of A intersection B. So this is the Venn diagram of A intersection B whole complement. This is the Venn diagram of A intersection B, and A intersection B whole complement means outside of A intersection B. Now next fourth, Venn diagram of A complement union B complement. So draw universal set U. This one is set A, and A complement means outside of A, that is sign this. So plus sign represent Venn diagram of A dash. Now for B dash, so draw a circle B. This is set is B, and for B dash, that is outside of B. Outside of B, suppose this is minus, so minus represent Venn diagram of B dash, that is outside of B, and union, that is both are combined. अब दोनों को मिलाकर Venn diagram ड्रॉ करोगे. So देखो, listen, this part is no any part of A dash or B dash, कोई इसका part नहीं है. And here sign plus, that is A dash, minus B dash, and outside of A and B both plus minus. So Venn diagram of A dash union B dash, that is combined all the signs plus or minus. So this is the Venn diagram of whole sign, Venn diagram of A dash union B dash, A dash union B dash. So this is completed, and 6, 7 easy, you try it. Then next, practical problems on union and intersection of two sets. Practical problem of union and intersection of two sets. So suppose set A is equal to 1, 2, 3 and set B is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8. So what is A union B? Union, that is combined A and B, A और B को combine कर दें. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 8. Now find A intersection B, that is common element between A and B. So find common element. So 2 is the common element, that is 2. Now check that number of element of A, number of element of A, also read as cardinal number of set of A, cardinal number, that is number of element. So check that what is the number of element in set A. So set A having 3 elements, so number of A is equal to 3, and say number of B, here B having 4 elements, so number of B is equal to 4, and number of A union B, count it 3, 3, 6 elements, and number of A intersection B, here only 1 element. So these are the number of element of set A, B, A union B and A intersection B. Now find the relation between these 3 numbers. Find the relation between these 3 numbers. So since biggest number is 6, so 6 can written sum of these 2 number, that is 3 plus 4 and minus this number. This is the relation between these 4 numbers. 6 is equal to 3 plus 4, 7, minus 1, 6, both are equal. So this is the relation. Now 6 can written number of A union B, and this 3 can written number of A, and this 4 can written number of B, and 1 can written number of A intersection B. So this is the A number of A union B. This is the formula of A union B. Similarly, I find the formula of number of A union B union C. Here 4 terms, number of A union B, number of A, number of B, number of A union B. If any 3 terms are given, then find 4th term using this formula. Now find formula of number of A union B union C for 3 sets. So suppose this A union B is a 1 set, that is suppose D union C, where D is equal to A union B. आप A union B को suppose कर लिए D. Now use formula number of D union C, that is number of A union B. So use formula. So number of D union C is equal to number of D plus number of C minus number of D intersection C. Now put the value of D where D is equal to A union B. So this can written number of A union B plus number of C minus number of D, that is A union B intersection C. So you are putting the value of D. Now again use the formula number of A union B. Again use the formula number of A union B. So number of A union B is equal to number of A plus number of B minus number of A intersection B. That use this formula number of A union B plus number of C, then minus, here use distributive law, A union B intersection C, use distributive law. So number of, this can written A intersection C, then union B intersection C by distributive law. Use here distributive law, by distributive law. Now we suppose this set is A and this one suppose B. So again use formula number of A union B. This one suppose A and this is suppose B. So use formula number of A union B and the rest all element right same thing. So this equal to number of A plus number of B minus number of A intersection B plus number of C minus, use formula number of A union B. So number of A that is A intersection C plus number of B that is B intersection C minus number of their intersection. Intersection means A intersection C and intersection B intersection C. So this is the formula. Now simplify, open the bracket, and you know that A intersection A is equal to A, C intersection C is equal to C. So this equal to, this is the formula, this equal to number of A, then number of B, then write number of C minus number of A intersection B, open the bracket. So minus number of A intersection C, then plus minus minus number of B intersection C and minus minus plus. Here C intersection C is equal to C. So this can written number of A intersection B intersection C, since C intersection C is equal to C. So this is the formula. This is the formula of number of A union B union C is equal to number of A, then write number of B, then number of C, then write number of A intersection B, then write this term minus number of B intersection C, then write this term number of A intersection C and plus number of A intersection B intersection C. So this is the formula for union of three sets, number of A union B union C. अब कैसे इसको याद रखोगे, एक ट्रिक समझ लीजिए, इसको याद करने का ट्रिक समझें. नंबर ऑफ ए यूनियन बी यूनियन सी, इन तीनों का पहले नंबर ऑफ ए, नंबर ऑफ ई, नंबर ऑफ बी अलग अलग कर दिए. तीनों सेट ए बी सी का अलग अलग नंबर सेट कर दिए एंड साइन प्लस. नेक्स्ट क्या करना है, टू पेयर का इंटरसेक्शन, इंटरसेक्शन को माइनस करेंगे. पेयर फॉर्म में इंटरसेक्शन, थ्री एलिमेंट्स हैं, थ्री सेट्स हैं, थ्री का टू पेयर बनाने, टू का पेयर, दैट इज कितने बनेंगे, हाउ मेनी पेयर्स, देयर आर थ्री पेयर्स. सो माइनस नंबर ऑफ ए इंटरसेक्शन बी, नेक्स्ट बी इंटरसेक्शन सी, नेक्स्ट ए इंटरसेक्शन सी. ये पेयर फॉर्म में दोनों का तीनों का इंटरसेक्शन माइनस, नेक्स्ट साइन प्लस. तीनों का इंटरसेक्शन को प्लस करेंगे. सो दिस इज द फॉर्मूला ऑफ ए यूनियन बी यूनियन सी. नाउ एग्जाम्पल नंबर 23. Example number 23. So 23 is, if x and y are two sets such that x union y has 50 elements, x union y, that is number of x union y is equal to 50, union having 50 elements. X has 28 elements, that is number of x is equal to 28. Y has 32 elements, that is number of y is equal to 32. How many elements does x intersection y, that is find number of x intersection y. ये find करना है. So use formula number of x union y. Here in 4 terms 3 are given, find 4th term. So use formula A union, number of A union B, that is number of x union y. So number of x union y is equal to number of x plus number of y minus number of x intersection y. Put all these values. Number of x union y given 50, number of x given 28, number of y given 32, minus number of x intersection y. So this term taking left side becomes plus. So number of x intersection y is equal to, आप ऐड कर दें 0 1, that is 60, and this 50 taking minus sign, so this becomes 10. So 10 is the value of number of x intersection y. तो इस फॉर्मूला का यूज करके इस 4 टर्म्स में एनी 3 टर्म गिवन होगा, 4th की वैल्यू आप फाइंड कर लोगे. उस एग्जाम्पल नंबर दिस. नाउ एग्जाम्पल नंबर 24. Example number 24. Example number 24. 24 is, in a school there are 20 teachers who teach mathematics or physics. In a school there are 20 teachers who teach mathematics or physics. That is 20 teachers में क्या होंगे, some teachers teach in mathematics and some teacher teach physics. There are 20 teachers. So 20 is the union of mathematics and physics teachers. So suppose let M such that set of all math teacher, set of all math teacher, and physics P such that set of all physics teachers. आप A और B भी सपोज कर सकते हो, A सेट ऑफ मैथ टीचर, B सेट ऑफ फिजिक्स टीचर. आप जैसा चाहो सपोज कर सकते हो. सपोज फर्स्ट लेटर M, सो वी सपोज M इज द सेट ऑफ मैथ टीचर and P set of physics teacher. So given in a school there are 20 teachers who teach math or physics. So 20 is the value of M union P. That is this, in this 20 teachers, if any one teachers are choose, then that teacher who teach either maths or physics. So number of M union P is equal to 20. Of these 12 teach mathematics. 12, that is number of M is equal to 12. 12 teach mathematics and 4 teach both math and physics. So number of both, that is intersection. So intersection given 4 how many teach physics, that is number of p. तो आप ये फॉर्मूला का यूज़ करेंगे, नंबर ऑफ एम यूनियन पी, सिंस नंबर ऑफ एम यूनियन पी इज इक्वल टू नंबर ऑफ एम प्लस नंबर ऑफ पी माइनस नंबर ऑफ एम इंटरसेक्शन पी, ऑल आर गिवन, पुट द वैल्यू and find number of p. So next example number 25. Example number 25. 25 is, in a class of 35 students, 20 like to play cricket and 16 like play to football. Cricket and football. So let cricket, suppose C, let C such that set of who play cricket, set of students who play cricket and football, F such that set of students who play football. आप A और B भी सपोज करते हो, set A suppose student who play football or cricket and B also. So you are given in a class of 35 students, 24 like to play cricket, 16 like to play football. Also each student like to play at least one of the two game. It is given also each student likes to play at least one of the game. So in a class of 35 students, so 35, that is number of C union F. This is given 35, that is total students, in which 20 like play to cricket, 24 like to play cricket, that is number of C is equal to 24, and 16 like play to football, that is number of F is equal to 16. How many students like to play both cricket and football, that is number of C intersection F. ये फाइंड करना है, ये इसका लोगे फॉर्मूला, देन फाइंड. And next example number 26. I think time is not permitted, so I next class discuss example number 26, and you try it. Exercise 1.4, exercise 1.6, exercise 1.6 is homework. आप ट्राई करोगे, then next class I discuss. Okay.